Now in this example, we take the same, in this lecture, we take the same example what we have taken in the previous two lectures. So we have to find the circumference of the circle of radius a, that is x square plus y square, which is equal to a square. Now here, to find out the rectification of this circle, we use the polar formula. So let us first define what is the polar formula for the rectification. Let r is equal to f of theta be an equation of the polar curve. Then the length of the curve from the point A to B, which is means theta equal to theta 1 to theta 2, is given by s is equal to integration under the limit theta 1 to theta 2 of root over r square plus dr d theta whole square with respect to theta. Now here, polar equation of circle x square plus y square, which is equal to a square, is given by, if you want to convert any Cartesian equation to polar equation, we have to substitute x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So if you substitute x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, then this equation becomes r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, which is equal to a square, which implies r square equal to a square. So it means r equal to a, since radius cannot be negative, so we are only taking the r equal to plus a. So this is the circle, and now we are using the polar curve. Again, since in case of polar curve, this is theta equal to 0, this theta equal to 0, this is theta equal to pi by 2, this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2. So instead of finding the whole length of the circle, we only find out what is the length of the circle in first quadrant, and if we multiply these by 4, we are able to get the circumference of the circle. So let us find out, as the circumference of the circle is s is equal to 4 times of length of AB. So here, length of AB. AB is equal to what? So now this is what? Integration under the limit theta 1 to theta 2 of r square plus dr d theta whole square d theta. Now since r is equal to a, so the derivative of r with respect to theta, this is r equal to constant, so this will be 0, which gives us, and limit is what? If we are considering in the first quadrant, the limit of theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi by 2. So we have 4 times of integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 of root over a square. And since a is constant, so we have to take outside a square. If we take outside from the root, it will become a. So we have taken 4a outside. And what is 1 is remaining. So integration of d theta with respect to theta is nothing but to theta. And the lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. So it can be written as 4a into pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2 and lower limit is 0. Again, this 2 and 2 will cancel. So we have 2 pi a, which is the desired circumference of the circle. So now in this example, we tried to find out the circumference of the circle using polar form. And definitely in all three cases, all three examples, we have shown that the circumference of the circle is nothing but 2 pi a. And here method doesn't important over here. With all three methods, we got the circumference of the circle same. Thank you.